What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So today we are going to be painting the rest of the 350Z right there. The only thing that really needs to be painted is going to be the hatch, the 2 doors, and the 2 rear quarter panels, and then it's pretty much ready to let dry and then put back together. I'm super excited. You know, I really want to be able to drive this car again. It's currently registered under non-op because registration is kind of expensive and I haven't had time to take it in a smog. So hopefully we can get this car back on the road soon. But for the meantime, we're just working on it, as you guys have been seeing. So today, like I said, we're going to be working on the paint, finishing it up. So let's get on with it.
So now that the Z is in the garage, I'm just gonna go ahead and start taping everything up.
So today we're just gonna pretty much just jump right into it. The panels have already been prepped and taped off. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish mixing up the paint right here. Again, this is some stainless stage white. I got 4 parts paint, 1 part reducer, half a part of this acrylic hardener, and then I added a little bit lacquer thinner to it because this paint actually doesn't spray out smooth, I guess you could say. So I added a little bit of lacquer thinner or thinner just to let it flow a little better. So yeah, we're just gonna jump right into it.
And walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my there goes a sight.
Alright guys, so Blaine's working on the third coat right now. Yeah. Alright guys, so the car's been drying for a couple of hours, so I'm in the garage right now and I'm just gonna show you guys how it's looking. So this is what the car's looking like right now. Everything's looking really nice. And it actually looks really shiny. I mean, there's a little bit of orange peel here and there, but we will be able to cut and buff it and everything will look super shiny, super glossy. So we're not too worried about it. There's not really a lot of imperfections or anything like that, but I think it's gonna match super nice with the rainbow sparkles on top of the roof. I mean, you can't really see it right now, but it's gonna look awesome. So this is pretty much it for painting. We're just gonna have to go ahead and let everything dry and then we can go ahead and piece back together this car. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. As you guys saw, the car's coming together really nicely. We're just gonna have to wait for everything to fully dry and then we can go ahead and put it back together. I hope you guys are excited for that. I know we've been waiting for so long for this thing to get back on the road, so it's coming soon. But I hope you guys like this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna be putting this car back together in the next video, so stay tuned for that and we'll see you then.